My name is Cindy Calderon from Ladies Car Care, and as we promised to bring you a lot of content and a lot of information that will be helpful for you, today we're going to talk about tire pressure. So, don't feel pressure about your tire pressure. Believe it or not, the first thing you need to do is not check your tire. The first thing you need to do is open the door. What? Yes, open the door. Once you open the door, you will see this sticker that it said tire and loading information. In this sticker, you will find the right amount of air that all your tires need. Like in this case, the front tire, it needs 30 pounds. The rear tire, it needs also 30 pounds. And the other tire that no one's actually looked for it, it's a spare tire. The spare tire needs 60 pounds. And another thing, if you don't know or you don't have the sticker on the door, look for this one, the Bible of the car, your manual, owner manual. So you will find all the information that you will need for your car. Now that you know the amount of pressure that your tire needs, it's time to check it. Okay, first off, you will need a tire pressure gauge. Any type of tire pressure gauge will work. So first of all, we need to plug it in the valve and check the pressure of this tire. So this tire has 32 pounds of air. So we need to take some air out. So now there you have it. And this is how easy and simple it is to check your tire pressure. This is Cindy from Ladies Car Care at Kingdom Auto Repair. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. God bless you and have a wonderful day.